Today we're going to talk about buying a used car. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician, and this is my assistant, Mayhay. So Mayhay, how much money you got?
$4.
$4. Okay, if a car costs $21,000 on average for a used car in 2019, do you have enough money to buy a used car?
Nope.
Is it a lot of money, $21,000?
Yes.
Okay, so at that kind of cost, we got to make sure we make a good purchase. Now, the advantages to buying from a private party are we don't have to pay sales tax. And sales tax on $21,000 is about $1,700. The problem with buying from a used party is if we're not happy with the purchase a day or two later, are they still going to be around? So there's some risks involved there, even though we're saving taxes. But how about the lots and the bigger companies that have great reputations? Is that better? Well, it can be. But let me tell you part of the problem in our industry right now. We are currently losing about 76,000 technicians per year leaving the industry. And the technical schools are turning out about 30,000. So we're really short guys. So even those big companies are trying to do their best, they miss a lot of things. We've had 3 cars come to our shops that had good inspections done by the people that did them, but they weren't experienced enough. And those 3 cars all had evidence of having been in a flood, which will cause some problems later on down the road. So it's just super vital to have somebody who's experienced and knowledgeable do a good, thorough inspection on the vehicle that you buy, regardless of where you're buying it from. By the way, those big name companies, they took care of all 3 of our clients. So they have a great reputation. They weren't trying to pull something. It was just one of those deals. Now also, if you're going to go buy a car on your own and you want to look at it yourself, stop by and see me sometime. I'll give you some tips on what you can look for if you're buying your own car and looking at it. So I hope this has been some good information for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.